This is my favorite part. We just get to put our hand under here and chocolate comes out. I need one of these at my home. Oh, I think this is dark. Oh, this is good stuff. Everybody, we are just outside of Zurich, Switzerland right now, and we are walking to our first destination of the day. We are going to the Lindt Chocolate Museum. So it is the end of May, it's the 26th, I think. May 26th, it's a Friday, and it's like 11:30 or so right now. Kind of slept in this morning because we haven't had a chance to sleep in really well recently, so just relaxed a little bit this morning, and we'll get into town to Zurich later. But first, in this video, we'll have the Lindt Chocolate Museum. I don't know a whole lot about it other than they sell chocolate, and the pictures of it look amazing. And you get samples. So I like to eat chocolate. I like to look at chocolate. So what's not to love? Gets really good reviews on Google. So it's got to be exciting and good, right? Who wouldn't like to go to a chocolate museum? So it's only about a 15-minute walk from the train station, and we should be there in the next 5 minutes. Here we go. So we got our tickets. We get a free audio tour. Comes with the ticket. Now we're just waiting for our tour to start. It looks like we're gonna have a person. I guess we go in groups. I don't know. This is my favorite part. We just get to put our hand under here and chocolate comes out. I need one of these at my home. Oh, I think this is dark. Oh, this is good stuff. They don't even like stop you. I don't have anybody here saying, stop eating the chocolate. Yeah, you just put your hand underneath. Another piece comes out. I eat it. we're coming to the end of the tour. So they kind of like walk you in, they show you how chocolate started, how it goes from a plant to and how they break it down and invented chocolate and all that, and then you get to taste, the milk chocolate, the dark chocolate, and the white chocolate. And then they had this awesome machine where just chocolate's coming out, and you're trying to figure. They didn't tell you what it was. You had to kind of figure out what kind of chocolate they had. That was awesome. And then they had bowls for every single chocolate there was, and you could just try them. So now we're at the end here, and I think we just waiting in line to grab a little last bit, and looks like they're handing out some more. So you pay 30, was it 30 bucks a ticket?
No, it's 30 total.
30 total. So it's 15 bucks a ticket. So I probably got $5-10 worth of chocolate at least. So it's definitely worth it if you like chocolate. What'd you think?
Yeah. It's good.
So last little bits. And we'll probably have to buy some for the kids, you think, huh?
Well, yeah.
Got the factory starting up here. So right here at the end, they actually have like a line running. Now they're on break, I think. So we didn't really get to see any of it running, unfortunately. But you can't complain with the amount of chocolate we've gotten. And it's not even like policed. I thought there would be like somebody there saying, only take one. Move along. No, there's nobody there except for the bowls, with the bowls of the finished chocolate.
She wasn't really saying anything.
No.
I was looking at her like for direction. Like, am I supposed to take one? Like, I didn't ask, but I was looking for some direction.
Yeah. It says wait.
I know, but people are pushing me to do things. So.
I don't think there's any more. Oh well.
Yeah.
No.
Dankeschön.
Okay.
Nach Ihnen, schönen Tag.
What kind did you get?
Salted caramel.
I got dark orange. Which one do you prefer?
I like caramel.
Hold on a minute for me. Okay. So the last little bit, it keeps breaking because there's only so many chocolates in there at a time. So we just left because you just watch a ball roll around and you get a chocolate, or they can just hand you the chocolate. So we just took it. So it's a pretty cool little tour. Oh, gotta put my audio tour away. There we go. So that was it was better than I expected. Actually, I heard that you got.
You could spend so much time in there listening to every single thing. Like, you could spend 2 hours probably like learning the history and all that stuff, or you could just like pick and choose which ones you wanted to listen to.
Yes, if you're a museum person, you're gonna love it because they break down everything about chocolate, how it started, the whole history, everything about Switzerland. We kind of skimmed over that stuff, but it was really cool. And the amount of chocolate you got was unexpected. I thought we'd get a few pieces or whatever, but it was like you could unlimitedly taste as much as you wanted. You could unlimitedly take out of the machine as much as you wanted.
Surprisingly, I had a lot of self-control. I didn't think I was going to, but I actually just was like, nah, I'm good.
I had less control. So now that we're going to get in the shop here, maybe grab something. Maybe that's how they get us back. But I'm going to enjoy this. Oh my God, look at this place. Everybody, is our day visit here at the Lindt Chocolate Museum. There you can read it. There, Lindt Chocolate Museum. It's an awesome experience because you get to eat a lot of chocolate. You get to learn about a little bit of chocolate, and you get to eat a little bit of chocolate. And did I say you get to eat a little bit of chocolate? It's great.
That's great.
So I hope you liked it. It was a great experience. I think for 15. At first going in, I thought it might be a little pricey for this little museum chocolate tour thing. But with the amount of chocolate that they're giving you, I think it's worth it. It probably should be like a $5 ticket, but you get like $10 worth of chocolate if you want it for free. So that evens itself out.
You can literally eat your weight in chocolate and no one would stop you.
No, they really don't care. There's nobody there stopping anything. So it was awesome. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button now. Comment if you have any comments, questions. If you like chocolate, just say hey in the comments below. I like chocolate. And then obviously, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. We're going in, heading into Zurich now, and our next video will be from Zurich. So until then, we will see you in the next one.